Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005
Buick Rainier. The Rainier is a mid-sized SUV with traditional body-on-frame construction and rear-wheel drive. With optional all-wheel drive, enables it to carry a considerable amount of cargo and tow heavy loads.
and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Towing package,
all-wheel drive,
heated side mirrors,
daytime running lights,
remote keyless entry,
fog lights,
power passenger mirrors,
power brakes.
running boards, auto-off headlights.
Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.